Alright, so in this video, I'm going to go over chapter 16b, C, and D. So that's a lot because 16b and C are pretty easy. If you guys remember, and I hope you remember, multiplication, division with fractions. So algebraic fractions are just fractions with variables, and I'm sure that you guys will find this easy. So let's go over some of these. Just a reminder, this is how we multiply and how we divide fractions. So in other words, when you multiply fractions, you multiply the numerator together and the denominator together. And if you can simplify, you simplify at the very end. For division, if you guys remember from grade 7, and I hope you do because we had a lot of videos of keep, change, and flip, right? In other words, what you do is you keep the first fraction, you flip, you change the sign to become multiplication, and then you flip the second fraction here. So keep, change, and flip. Okay, that's division with fractions. Alright, so let's jump in here. We have 4 over d times d over 8. By the multiplication with fraction rules, we just multiply the numerator, and then we'll multiply the denominator. Okay, and as you guys can see here, we can cross out d. It's okay because it's multiplication. So that's 1. And 4 and 8, 4 goes to 4 once, 4 goes to 8 twice, so this is 1/2. Alright, and look at something here. So as you guys can see, multiplication, it's okay when you cancel it this way, okay? You can cancel it early because it's multiplication. And 1, 1. So that's 1/2. Alright? And then with this as well, you guys can see g cubed. So 5 over g times g cubed is another way of saying 5 over g times g cubed over 1. So g goes to g cubed to the power of 2. So g cubed divided by g is g to the power of 2. And we just combine 5g squared. Okay. So it's pretty easy. So let's jump into division here. So keep, and then change, and you flip. And I like to simplify early, so things will get easier for me. So that one stays to be x. 6 divided by 2, this is 3. This is 1, so this is 3x. Okay. And this one is the same thing. 8 over 4. 8 over p. And then keep change, and then you flip. 2 was 2 over 1. You flip it, 1 over 2. 8 goes to 2. 2 goes to 8 4 times, and then now we have 4 over p. So it's all pretty easy, right? Just it's all the same thing. Alright. So how about addition and subtraction? Again, fractions are the same. As long as you have common denominators, you can just add the numerators. So in this case, example 3a, they don't have common denominators, so we have to modify that. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to multiply denominator by 2. So we have 2x over 6 plus 5x over 6. That's 7x over 6. Alright, y'all do this one. The common denominator of 4 and 3 are 12. So I'm going to multiply by 3 on top and bottom. This one is times 4. I got 9b minus 8b over 12. That's b over 12. Pretty easy, right? It's just the same, but with algebra, with some letters there. Alright, so you guys, let's do A and C here. It's very abstract. Okay, and again, we need common denominator. So I'm going to multiply C on both sides here. Top and bottom, multiply A on top and bottom. So we have AC, 2C plus 3A. And that's it. That's my answer. Because I can't cancel anything. Again, do not make me cry by canceling those C's, nor canceling those A's. And there you go. Alright, so I'm going to let you guys to do 6D here. And I'm going to talk about it in class, but I want you guys to solve these on your own first. Alright, see you guys then.